Good morning and welcome back to another quick question. I don't know how quick this one's going to be to an answer a question that someone has posted in the comments of my video. And this was actually a good one. And it says, here's a topic I've never seen discussed by other small business owners, and I'd really love to hear your take on it. The number one fans of whatever your product is. I have a client that spends at least a couple $100 every month in my e-shop. That's really good. For over a year now. Okay, so that is someone who really likes your products. How would you suggest we treat or acknowledge those special customers? I love customers like that, and I actually do have customers who come. They keep coming back and buying things. You get to know their names. You recognize, and I've had people write to me and say, just in case you're wondering why I'm ordering so much of this, and they're telling me why. Some of it is very interesting. And sometimes I've put notes in packages saying, I see that you're ordering a lot of this. If you want to shop on my website and not Etsy, I can give you a discount over there. So that's one thing you could do is try to move that person from your Etsy shop to your website and give them a little bit of a discount, give them a special code that they can use just for themselves, or just say, if you want something, write to me directly. And I do have customers who shop with me consistently. I give them a discounted rate. I invoice them through PayPal. And when they need something, they just send me the information. I send them an invoice and they pay me that way. So it keeps all the coupons out of it, and it's just a lot easier to keep track of. And I apologize if you're watching this. The sun, it keeps shifting and shining in my face, so I look completely washed out. Um, but yeah, I definitely, if you see someone's name come up a lot, send them a message. Put a message in the box. Send them an email saying, "I really appreciate your business." Um, I would give them a discount code because those are the people who are showing that they are on your side already. And those are the people who, if something goes wrong with an order, they're going to be the more reasonable ones. They're not going to get snippy and say that you're trying to scam them or whatever. And just recently, someone in one of my groups, unfortunately, had an experience where two boxes of something were delivered and only one was received by the customer. So somebody might have stolen a box or whatever the situation was, but they say that both, were delivered, and this customer was being nice about it. There are people who keep coming back to your shop because they like your products. And if you form that personal connection with them, then they're going to continue to come back and they're going to be nice if something bad happens. And they're going to be more cooperative. They're not going to file a claim with, like, they're going to take what you tell them to do if you're willing to work with them. They're the ones who are going to be willing to work with you. So it's definitely worth cultivating those kinds of customers. Maybe send them something extra. I just filled an order today from someone who shops on my website, and she always buys a lot at one time. I sent her some extra of whatever she bought, and I said, here's, in case you can use these, here's some extras of them. So just, give them a little bit more. Give those people a little bit more, either a little more attention, a little bit more of a discount, a little bit more extra product, put something, but acknowledge that you're doing that because you appreciate their business. Write a handwritten note, put it in the box. I appreciate your business. If you ever need anything, give me a call. I'll do custom work for you, whatever you want. Okay. Because people like being appreciated, and you should appreciate that kind of customer. They're the ones that you really want to keep. Right. So if you have other questions, post them underneath and I will get to them, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.